Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use a brick chisel safely and effectively. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Don your safety glasses to shield your eyes from any flying fragments, and wear sturdy gloves to protect your hands. Make sure your workspace is clear and stable. Also, check your chisel. It should have a sharp edge and a striking head free of mushrooming for optimal performance and safety. Now, let's prepare your brick for a clean cut. First, use a pencil to clearly mark your desired cut line all the way around the brick. Next, take your chisel and a hammer and gently score a shallow groove along this marked line. It's important to repeat this scoring process on all four sides of the brick. Finally, position the brick on a firm, flat surface, such as a bed of sand or another stable brick, ready for the final strike. With your brick scored, it's time for the main event, the clean cut. Place the chisel precisely on your scored line. Hold it firmly, angling it slightly, perhaps 10 to 15 degrees, away from the waist side. Now, deliver a sharp, firm blow to the chisel head with a heavy hammer. Often, one well-aimed strike is all it takes to achieve a clean, crisp break, minimizing any chipping or unevenness. After making your cut, you might find some rough edges. You can smooth these out using a brick hammer or a grinder for a neater finish. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try your technique on some scrap bricks first to build confidence. Always keep your chisel sharp. A keen edge makes a significant difference in the quality of your cuts. Finally, store your tools properly in a dry environment to prevent rust and maintain their condition.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.